I have a jeans problem. I like jeans.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Today's video is about decluttering my closet. While everything around my house looked pretty tidy, my closet was a big exception. This is my bedroom. Not very exciting. We're gonna go down. This is my husband's closet, not so bad. So let's go into the bathroom. Okay, here's where it gets embarrassing. This is my closet. Holy crap. There's more. It gets worse. It's my makeup. But look at all those empty hangers right there. I've already taken out so many things. I have not hung anything up because I don't even know if I want to keep it. So why bother? Oh my God, do you see what I mean? It's bad. I'm like Pigpen from Peanuts. What I figured I would do is take every single thing out of my closet and only put back the things I really knew that I wanted to keep. And that's just what I did. Bed and around my bed were all of my clothes and shoes and drawers, not panties, drawers, belts and dresses and so on. It was a little bit overwhelming, but at the same time, it was so nice to have a clean, empty closet. So next, I just put back only the pieces I knew I really wanted to keep. Also, my makeup is in my closet. I took all that out, cleaned it up, and put it back. When I was finished with this whole decluttering process, I ended up with about a quarter of the clothing that I had beforehand. And I hung up things that were in my drawers, so it even looked like more than it really was. Before I even started, I knew that most of those clothes were going to go. What I really didn't think about was what I was left with was not very much. At least from a girl's standpoint. Here it is. Not so much in there. I have a definite jean problem. They're not only there, but there's some over there. Nice and clean. I thought buying a few new pieces, well more than a few, might be a good idea to complete or just at least add to my wardrobe. And that's what led me to the What $100 Will Buy You videos. Anyway, now you know that I tend to be a little bit sloppy, at least when the space is completely mine. You want me to zoom out in this room? Because this is mine. One thing at a time. So that's it for this Declutter My Closet video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you, well...
You're messy.
If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.